Make sure to engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks, because securing the dump truck is essential to prevent any accidental movement that could cause serious harm. Check the pressure gauge in the operator cabin to confirm it reads 0 psi, ensuring all hydraulic pressure has safely bled to prevent any unexpected movement. The safety railings need your attention. Inspect them closely to ensure they're stable and secure for everyone's safety. The rear wheel assembly needs your inspection. Make sure it spins smoothly and quietly to confirm it's in good condition for safe operation. Remove the radiator grille carefully, ensuring the engine is cool to avoid burns. This will help you inspect the area without any debris. Ensure all components are secure before reconnecting the battery. This step is critical to avoid accidental activation of the hydraulic system.